All right. Hello, Mike here, coming from the year 2021. Hello to all the millions of people out there checking in for this very important thing because I got a box in the mail and I realize I'm not doing my job because I'm not sharing with you what's in the box. What's in the box? So, what's in the box? Great question. I'm sure everyone saw me getting on here blasting you with our 30-day mind and body reset. So that is our ultimate lifestyle transformation. It's something that my coworkers and their friends, our friends, my friends, people we know are doing. We are focusing on ourselves, improving ourselves next month. So it's going to be sweet. And then I realized that's in like a few days. So I'm getting geared up, getting ready to go. What up, Ryan? How we feeling, brother? So yeah, last year it got me thinking about my ultimate lifestyle transformation I did last year, and that one was a sweet one. I don't know how many of y'all know this about me, but I grew up eating basically cardboard, anything that was white, brown, or tan, I would eat. And I've recently shifted into eating a rainbow the past few years, but throughout that whole time, especially the last few years, I always felt like I had this food addiction. Got to get coffee in the morning to get energized, and I had to have peanut butter in the evening to feel full. And that ultimate lifestyle transformation I did last year really gave me the time, the space, and the tools and the confidence to step away from those. And of course, I stepped back into them with a new awareness. But the whole time I've been working on my physical, mental, and emotional response to those things, realizing where those addictions may stem from. So I'm gearing up for another ultimate lifestyle transformation. And in doing so, quit drinking in July, quit drinking coffee, started this month. So that was 4 weeks ago. And haven't eaten any nut butters in the past 2 weeks. And I don't want to shame any of those things. I don't want you to feel bad if that's something you're into. This is about me and what I was going through. I don't like feeling addicted or reliant on any kind of substance. So that's why I'm doing it. But we got a cat up here. But we're getting going because this is what we do. The focus, let's just get into it. Welcome to my ultimate lifestyle transformation. Welcome to your ultimate lifestyle transformation. I just got some information on some of the products, the schedules, and some tracking, a little bit more information, which is cool, man. There's actually 3 different schedules because it's not a one-size-fits-all program that people can do it how they want. I'm thinking about doing the accelerated option. I'll talk about that a little bit more. I got a few more papers in here. Information, fitness packs, lifestyle guide, you know the shit. Maybe you don't. It's not your box. It's my box. Cool, man. So, first up, you've seen me talking about this one a million times. Our power shake. And I love this one. You know, I am out diving, traveling, camping all the time. And it's very hard to bring a bowl of salads around with me. So this is like more salads than I could chew in a day. And just gets me feeling energized, which is kind of the theme of all of these. You know, like I always felt like I just wanted energy. So I was looking for energy. Got the energy. Pretty gnarly. Comes in these compostable packaging. There's probably 10 or so of these packages in my compost pile right now in varying stages of decay, which is swag. So I either dump that into a old container, one of these things, or whatever will hold it. Super aminos, part of the reason I wanted to stock up on these. These are, in my opinion, the perfect between dive snack in addition to fruit. But it's like if I'm about to go dive, I just want some protein to get me going. These kick in within 20 minutes, so perfect timing. And they're easy to take with. Build muscle, they can build muscle, and they can help burn fat. So that's a win-win-win-win. Nice. Biomedic. This was something that I had before I started working for this company that I had become aware of was the issue with non-organics, eating non-organics, the issue with our gut, brain, body connection and all that. So this actually has been scientifically proven to remove Roundup from our body, that pesticides, they spray Roundup on our food. That's pesticides, active ingredients, glyphosate, so it can help with that, help reduce bloating. In addition to the Super Cleanser. So I was not as familiar about parasites when I started getting into it last year, but I realized that this one packs a punch because I did have not the best bowel movements, so I definitely noticed improvement on this, and that's like the ultimate quality of life kind of change up for me is spending less time cleaning up. So big time help with the Super Cleanser and the Biomedic. Sweet, we'll be taking those all day, all night. We'll be drinking this cherry juice, which is awesome. Tried replacing, well, if there's any wine drinkers out there, give this a thought. It, instead of intoxicating me, gives me restful sleep. This actually helped 2 years ago. I was waking up a lot in the middle of the night throughout and just like waking up, falling asleep. And boom, a little bit of melatonin really helped out with what was going on with me, which is awesome. And I got it all put in this shaker bottle. Stainless steel, baby. So, I was kind of anti-cleanse beforehand. I always thought it was silly to try this diet that you wouldn't uphold in real life, and also like I didn't like the idea of like a celery fast, whatever, you know what I mean? But then I found out, like I said, not diet specific as long as we're eating real food, and there's 3 schedules, so there's no fasting required. I do intend on doing a little bit of fasting. That's for some of my own personal reasons, but I also intend on diving and working throughout. So I definitely need some energy, some power, and performance. So I got the ULT Plus Performance, add a little bit more into what I'm already doing, and take it with me. Some of those things we got in here is some MVP Sport. This is some plant protein, which is red. Add a little bit more girth to those power shakes. Add a little bit more protein and prebiotics to the power shake. The like hug in my belly, which is sweet. And I also found some. So these two, the Aloe Digest, I thought this would be great for my skin with Parasite Protocol. I will circle back to that in a second. It's some Super Cleanser. Super Cleanser gets those parasites flushed out. That way we're not keeping them inside, we're moving them out. Easy money. It goes into a little bit more detail about that. I could shoot you a message, we'll talk. Both show. And so, Aloe Digest, I thought it'd be great for my skin, being out in the sun all the time, which it is, but it also helps with my digestion, which is sweet. And that is awesome. As well as some cocoa hydrate. So yes, Shelly, I do. Hydration, definitely key in scuba diving. Definitely very important for me. I'm a big health nut in my scuba dive training and my own personal diving. And we need minerals for that, electrolytes. So this is kind of like the healthy Gatorade. None of the artificial ingredients, sugars, colors that you would find in those kind of products. None of that's in here. This is straight pure. And 2 more. We got a little bit, like I said, I'm all about energy. So I got some of this Be Energetic. Gets a nice natural buzz, which is awesome. Without any caffeine. 0 caffeine in this one. In that one. This beet juice does have some caffeine and some beets. So it does help with some vascular muscularity integrity. But this is an incredible pre-workout or coffee replacement, which is why I'm actually sending this off to a buddy of mine for helping him get off his coffee. It's something he's working on. He said he was like really overdosing with the coffee and he wanted to cut back a little bit. So I talked to him about how to do that. This was one of the answers. Super awesome. So I'm absolutely stoked. We are kicking off on September 1st. And I'm really excited to spend some time with some people who are all caring about the same thing. Beat Kvass. Right on. Super excited to be kicking off with all these people. Super excited to still be doing my life and taking care of myself at the same time. So, give me a shout if you ever want to go diving, talk about your health, talk about financial freedom. You know the deal. Peace out, people. Have fun out there.